Hi friends, today we are going to see the how to install the Redis in the Linux environment in Ubuntu. First of all, for the Linux, we are going to download the Ubuntu version. Ubuntu. Here we are going to the Ubuntu website and download section. In this, we are going to download the Get Ubuntu desktop version. Here you can download the 22 version, Ubuntu 22 version. Yeah, download is started. See here. First of all, we are going to see the download the Ubuntu version. Then we are going to download the virtual box. Actually, we are not going to install the dual boot. We are going to install the virtual box, Oracle virtual box, Oracle virtual box. In that, we are going to install the Ubuntu as a one OS, just OS. Here we are going to download the VirtualBox 7.0, this one in this Windows host. And one more is extension pack, this one also. Three we are going to download first of all. First is the Ubuntu, second one is VirtualBox, and third one is Oracle Virtual Extraction Pack. This will include that this extraction pack include that binaries are released under the some binaries like it will use to work with that some prerequisites like mouse controls and this are if you want to work this extension pack is required if you work with NVMe and for boot Intel cards if you want to work with these are this extension pack is required. Then we are going to how to set up the first task is step one is download and install Ubuntu in Oracle Virtual Box. Second one is set up set up the Ubuntu in Oracle Virtual Box. Oracle Virtual Box. Then third step is download the Redis Redis server and Redis CLI. Connect fourth step is connect Redis CLI with Redis server. Connect Redis CLI with Redis server. Fifth step is execute some commands. Execute some commands using you execute some commands in the Redis CLI. These are five steps we are going to follow in this session. First of all, we have download that VirtualBox and Oracle VirtualBox and extension pack. Actually, I have installed that. Some follow the some steps like if you click on this, if you do go to the download section, it will ask that like this. It will if you are it asks some steps like this. If you follow the class next test like this steps it follow and install this. I have installed previously. That's why I'm canceling this one. Next, extension pack. How to after go to the virtual installing the virtual box here. Type here. Go to the Windows search bar and type here Oracle Virtual Box. VM Virtual Box. Here you will find the Here you will find the file section. In these tools, in that extension pack manager, come to the here. You will see here already I have installed that extension pack. If you don't have this extension pack, come here and click on the install section and select the actually in the download section that Oracle Virtual VM VirtualBox extension pack 7 is there and plus OK. Here upgrade. Actually, I have installed that. It's asking that upgrade. Agree. Last. Okay. Come to the this section. Okay. Actually, if you want to see that download is complete or not, Ubuntu download. Still it is downloading. Still it is downloading. Before seeing that, that is we are going to see that Redis. How to install the Redis in that Ubuntu. It's downloading, but I'm not going to download this. I'm going to stop this. I'm not going to download this one. I'm going to follow some commands. Redis download. Redis download in the load in the Ubuntu. Ubuntu. And this digital ocean and this hosting some commands is available. I'm following that method. First, I'm going to update after installation. I'm going to update. Then I'm going to install that Redis server. Actually, this is only the Redis server, but I'm going to install the both Redis CL and Redis server. So these are commands like if you want to work with Redis binding to local host. Okay, we will see. Download is complete. Still, it is downloading. 1 minute left. Wait 1 minute, friends. Come to the hosting here. Here, these commands are there. Here, see this. First, we are going to update that cache. Then install the Redis. Then check the version is Redis or installed or not. Like then check the status of the service is running or not. This is the status of the service. Like service is running in the background or not. After that, after checking the status is running or not, how to find and edit the this is the in-depth like config editing the configuration file. Like if you want to change the IP address of the Redis server, in this in that case, you can bind that system IP address and here. These are changing the after configuration like configuration changing. You have to restart the this Redis server again. Like here, come the sudo systemctl restart Redis server. These are some commands we have seen already like set, get, and del and flush all. We have seen this. See, download is completed. Come here. First of all, it will show that new, or you can come here. Yeah, showing here. Here you will see the new. New means new virtual machine, and it will set up the new virtual machine. Here asking that name of the virtual machine. If you give the Redis server, Redis server, and giving. After this, where this is the location where this virtual Redis server is installed or created in the our system. Here, I have given that C user CHAR and VirtualBox. In this folder, this Redis server is created. After that, you can select the ISO file. I'm selecting this one. Actually, in the download folder, I have downloaded this one now. This one I'm selecting. Later, can come here and skip the unattended installations. This, if you not skip this, if you go to the next, this will create a one VBox user, VBox user, and change me this user like guest editions. Like this one is unlimited guest OS installation setups. If you don't want this, if you come here, skip unlimited installation and come to the next. See here now it will not ask. If you come here and if you uncheck this and install then go to the next section. Here ask that VBox user change me like this it will ask. If you come here, I'm not going to install that on that one. I'm not going to set up the guest setup. That's why I'm checking this and going to the next. You can give the some base memory, 3 GB, 3 GB or 4 GB. You can give according to the your system requirement. I'm giving 3 and go to the next section. That 25. If you require that 25 means you can give 25 or you can increase the. Okay, it's a 25 is sufficient. Next, come to the see here. Finish. After finishing, after finishing the setup, it will comes to the power offer mode. If you if you want to if you want to work with, you can click on this, double click on this, or come here. Actually, it is starting. That's why it is see powering that VM machine here, powering the VM machine like this. See, starting the virtual machine here. Starting the virtual machine. Come here. I'm taking this. If you want to remove this one like this, if you want to install this, try here like this. Some small setups are there, but I'm not going to install this one. Actually, I have installed previously. I have installed the previously. I'm I'm power offing. I'm not saving. I'm power offing this one and delete. I'm deleting this one. This setup. Delete all files. Come here. Actually I have installed previously one mission. I'm going that mission. Redis. It will take some time. That's why I'm going to the previously installed file. Great. It is in the for you it is only or for me it is showing the full screen, but for you it is show that in the off screen. For that you can go to the here insert guest edition. You click on the guest edition. First I'm going to this. So log into the if you want the full screen, come here. Go to the insert guest edition CD. Here one disk it will show. In this in this come here. You can here open the terminal. Here here after this here one file is there dot slash autorun dot sh. Here you have to install this. Here it will ask a password. Johnson. See here it is asking that password and here actually for me it is full screen only but for sake I'm installing this one. Once again I'm installing this one. Okay. Please return to the close. Okay. Press the enter button and close that window. Here after that you can once minimize and max or not minimize and that minimize and maximize you will show that you will show the full screen mode. Here eject. Here come to the in the terminal mode or open the terminal, come to here and if you want to shift sorry, control. First of all, I'm refresh or update the cache. So apt sudo apt update. Here ask the password Johnson. You will asking that update the something. See update is cache update is completed. Come clear here and update sudo apt install the Redis. Come here and sudo apt install the Redis. Come here. Actually, for me, I have installed the previously. That's why it is not installing again. If you want to see sudo systemctl status of Redis. See here, active server is running. Like so, Redis server is running active. Come here. Clear this one. If you want to see the version CLI hyphen version Redis server hyphen version. See, you are seeing the Redis CLI version and Redis server. If you want to connect that Here type here Redis hyphen CLI and that's one. You are able to connect with the Redis server, local Redis server. This is the local Redis server, local Redis server. And type here. First command is key star. See, I have previously I have worked with some keys. That's why it is showing the keys. If you want to delete, flush all. Okay. Once again, go to the key star. Okay, empty array. Clear here. Okay. Set user1. User1 is equals to um, Smith template. If you want to see get user1, get user1. Set user2 John. Get user2. I'm getting John. Set user3. Set user3. I'm giving like login. Get user3. Like this we are going to see. See star keys or you can clear first and if you see the star keys. See user1 and user2. Like if you want to see once again user1 get user2 get user3. Not only work with strings, if you want to work with the key I'm taking here, users or take info, user info, user info like this, user info one I'm taking here. Instead of value, I'm giving some dictionary here, name, giving Kumar, I'm giving age. Dictionary means object. I'm taking here object. Age is 25. City is Mumbai. If you give invalid argument by mm, let's see how to pass object as a value to reduce energy. Set. Okay, once again, see. Clear is clear. Okay, first of all, I'll remain flush all. Okay, before flush all, if you see the T star, see empty array. Set user info 1 equals to JSON dot parse. JSON dot parse of array of. Okay, I think we have to give like this. Also, this argument. Okay, okay. See, okay. Once the key is star get user info. See, I got this like this. Like this here, given that like that only, I have stored this. User info dot name. I'm getting this. Actually, it is form in the form of stringify. Get of JSON dot stringify file. User info one. JSON dot stringify. JSON dot stringify. Okay. You get JSON dot stringify. User info one. For getting the data, I have to convert this. Okay. Stringify. Get user info. Okay. So let's do get documents. Actually, it is not working here. In that application level, I'm going to work with get user info. Get user info. If you set one more data, user info to or users. If you take users name, name is equals to bg, age is equals to 25, city, name, mr, mr, age is equals to 30, city, Mumbai. La age is equals to age column 30 and the city HYD. Okay, so if you get users, I'm getting like this. So if set user, so you want to see is like this user info and users. If you delete that user info one like this, I'm going to delete. If you want to see again key star, see users. Want to see the key star, can users plus all keys star empty array. Like this, we are going to, if you want to exit, like this, we are going to exit. See, that's all we are going to execute. With here, we are going to see that in this session, we have seen the download and install of the VirtualBox and extension pack, virtual extension pack, and how to install the VirtualBox and how to set up the virtual extension pack in the VirtualBox and how to install the Ubuntu, how to download and install the Ubuntu Linux version in the VirtualBox, and how to install the Redis server in the Redis server and client in the Ubuntu Linux version, and how to work with Redis CLI, and how and like means how to connect the Redis CLI with Redis server, and how to work with some commands like get, set, and key star and flush all and delete the keys. Here clear, and shut down this. If you want to shut down this, come here power off this. It will power off them. Power off this. That's all, friends. If you like my content and explanation, please like and subscribe my channel.